What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to make a video of this new truck that I bought. Well, not really new, but new to me. It's a 1964 Chevy C10 with a inline 6 motor. Not sure if it runs. Didn't decide to get it to start. I just wanted to tear it apart. As you can see, I've already started tearing it apart. Headlights came out. Trying to remove this driver's side fender. Remove the interior. Remove the gas tank. And now the metal work. As you can see, there's a lot of rust. Holes everywhere. Inside the door. All along the floorboard, there's just holes everywhere. So what I decided to do is to buy another cab. And this is my donor cab. Now, it's a lot better. You're gonna find rust in your normal areas right over here, but it's not too bad. Looking on the interior, it's not too bad. Now this is a C60 cab, which these mounts right here are closer to the outside, while the C10 is right over here. But that's an easy fix. I stripped it all down. Probably gonna end up wire wheeling the whole thing, or just the firewall and the interior, and then just paint it up. Came with the truck, fully upholstered. Now what I'm trying to do is tear everything apart on the truck down to the frame, rip out all the suspension, and then get the frame powder coated, and then probably get new trailing arms, whole new rear suspension in the back and in the front. And the main thing what I want to do is put a Cummins 12 valve inside here. That's the big plan. Now I've already seen people already doing it. I don't know how it's going to mount up to the frame, but I'll find out. But one thing that I'm noticing is that when the exhaust comes out, it can't go dump over the axle, because I'm also going to end up putting it on bags. I'm going to put a C-notch right over here, and when it's all the way dumped down, 3-inch or 4-inch exhaust is definitely not going to go over the axle. So I'm probably going to have to, I don't know, maybe get a stack or dump it out like right over here. Not sure yet, but yeah. But this is the 64 C10. Let me know what y'all think. Thanks.